Yeah. Alright folks, Broccoli Rob back here again. So I had a dilemma. I didn't know whether to make lasagna or eggplant parm, so I'm making eggplant lasagna. Why not? Eggplant, sliced, soaked in buttermilk. You don't have to soak it in buttermilk if you don't want to. You could put salt over it and let it get some of the bitterness out that way, but just rinse it if you're going to do it that way. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning in each one of them. There is no salt in this Italian seasoning. I'm saying that because when the eggplant comes out, I'm going to salt them. So that's why I'm saying that. Now, it would probably go faster if you did them in a couple of fry pans, but I'm not really in any kind of hurry because my sauce is still going anyway. So I'm going to do them in here. Flour, egg, breadcrumb, deep fry it. Now another way you could do these, you could do these in the oven if you wanted to. Flour, egg, breadcrumb. Deep fry at 350. I've said it before, I'll say it again. When whatever it is your deep frying goes in, it's got to start frying right away. Alright guys, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the rest of these, salt them when they come out, and then I'll show you how we're going to put the rest of this together. It's Broccoli Rob back here. Eggplant lasagna. Yeah, I know. This is our eggplant that we did over here. It's all done. So this is whole milk ragout, or ricotta, for those of you that want it that way. This is provolone. This is mozzarella, or mozzarella, however you want to say it. This is garlic. Salt. Pepper. Go easy with the pepper, it's very expensive. I just found that out. Milk. We are going to crack 2 eggs in. The only reason I'm doing this is because they're going to get mixed up and it's just easier. Okay, now let's mix all this up and see what we got. Oh, I forgot something. This is my Italian seasoning. Wouldn't be in here, like I said to you before. There's no salt, crushed red pepper, oregano, parsley, garlic. Good stuff. Alright, so we're going to mix all this up, and we're going to layer this just like you would a lasagna. Alright, so let me mix this up and I'll be back to you. This is all our cheeses that we mixed up, our eggplant sauce that I made. There's basil in there. There's still one more bay leaf in here. We got to be careful. We don't want to get that out of it. All right, so here we go. You guys have all made lasagnas before, I'm sure. A little sauce on the bottom. Eggplant. Oh, love eggplant. And overlap it a little bit if you want. I'm figuring 6 per level. Yeah, look at that. 6. Nice, huh? Put some cheese on it. little something to spread the cheese around with. Oops. Stay, hey, stay! Damn eggplant. Alright guys, you get the idea. Alright, so then we're going to go with another layer of eggplant. Now first we're going to put a little sauce on here. Another layer of eggplant, some more cheese, some more sauce. We're going to build the whole thing up into a 350 oven for roughly a half an hour. So when you come back, I'll be here with this as a finished product. Alright guys. Alright guys. Half an hour, our eggplant lasagna. It's been resting now for about 20 minutes. I don't want to hear your nonsense, okay?
I'm so tired of people resting but us.
That's not a person. Alright, let's see if we can hack up a... The first part's always the toughest. You know what, we're going to leave the end. We're going to leave that end. I'm going to go right for the middle. How's that sound? Alright, there it is. Eggplant lasagna. Looks pretty good to me. 4 different levels. Very simple. Takes a little time, but you know, it is what it is. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao now.